Hello and welcome. My name is Alexi Bushino, and thank you so much for joining me today. I'm the Communications and Development Director for SPOTS, St. Photius Orthodox Theological Seminary. I am really excited to share with you and give you a quick tour of St. Melanie's house. St. Melanie's is the future residence for married students and seminarians, and for couples or families even, that want to come and study at the seminary and prepare for their future service to the church. So we're very excited. The whole community came together. The fathers and the mothers from the monastery and convent and some of the seminarians helped refurbish it over the summer, and it's ready to go. And please join me. There's a little keypad, so it's secure. And come on, kalostos, добро пожаловать, welcome. Wow, it's so nice. I've been here multiple times over the course of the summer, and once the semester started, and every time I come, I just can't help but feel it's so cozy, it's so inviting, so nice. Well, anyways, let me take off my shoes. Mother Kiprini, she's the house mistress, and she would be horrified if I was walking around with my shoes on. So, anyways, so here we are in sort of the main living space. This is a living room. It's been beautifully furnished. The mothers did a wonderful job with sort of decoration and the setup, interior design. Just really, really comfortable. We've been really blessed to have this space. Here we have the dining room. We have the dining room, the living room, the kitchen, and then on each side of the house, there's a master bedroom with a bathroom and sort of a laundry room on this side, and on the other side there's two smaller bedrooms as well as a bathroom. Let's check out the bedroom. Here we are. So this is the master bedroom. We have plenty of space, a nice desk for a study area. There's two closets, so again, everything that one would need. A private bathroom right around the corner. Very, very comfortable. We've been able to host quite a lot of visitors, so we have, two beds here right now. That way we can have visitors come and stay. Oh, somebody's knocking. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? What's this?
Some veggie lasagnas.
Veggie lasagnas?
Yeah, from the nuns.
Oh, well, that's kind of them. That's
Yeah.
very sweet. Do you have a moment to come in? Or
Sure thing.
Well, make sure you take off your shoes.
Oh, yeah.
One lasagna, two lasagna. Aha! Look at this. This is not for the nuns.
That's not for the nuns.
Beef lasagna. That must be for the seminarians.
Yeah.
Anyways, well, this is the kitchen. We have a range, really nice fridge and freezer combination, little pantry right there for all your food. What do you think about St. Melanie's?
It's very homey. Definitely could see myself cooking in this kitchen. Very, very excited to cook these lasagnas, actually.
So, what can you tell me about St. Melanie?
St. Melanie was very educated in scripture. She was also married. She's a very big example for us as women.
Here is a living space area, maybe a breakfast table, and then we have the second side of the house. Here the bedrooms are a little bit smaller, but there's two of them. So theoretically, one of the bedrooms could be, a bedroom, and the other one would be converted for sort of an office space or a study, or, if there's a little one, they could have sort of their own space. Again, very cozy. What a beautiful space. Well, here we are, wrapping the tour up. A really nice backyard. This patio actually was refurbished, and a brand new patio deck, perfect for hosting small gatherings, everything you can imagine. Again, this is a really big blessing for the seminary community to be able to offer, with your help, this location, this house, St. Melanie's, as an option for prospective married couples that are interested in attending seminary. A seminarian who is already married and their spouse is alongside of them, while they're studying, or perhaps both of them are able to study at the seminary, are going to be prepared for a future service to the church. Whether it's as a clergyman, again, somebody that's married is the likeliest candidate for being ordained shortly after graduation. They're married, they're settled down, they're stable, they've had their spouse alongside of them as they're studying and growing in their faith, deepening in their faith, spiritually being formed by the communities here, both the monastery and the convent. So your contributions, your gift, is what will make possible this opportunity for all our potential married students. Right now, especially with a double match, for every $1 that you donate, other generous donors have pledged to match it twice. So for every $1, you get $3 worth of impact. And God willing, we'll be able to pay down some of the mortgage and thus allow the seminary to offer low-cost housing for our potential candidates, for our potential seminarians, our potential married couples. Again, Matushka or Presbytera has just as much value to gain from a seminary education. Oftentimes, they're the ones leading Law of God classes and Sunday school and helping in the sisterhood, perhaps even leading adult education classes. We have a number of couples that have expressed interest, in fact, visited our community and as prospective students for our master's program. And with your help, we're able to offer them this wonderful place to live while they study and prepare for a future of service to the church. May God bless you. Thank you.